Okay, a break from eating out will be nice. It'll be great to have some snacks and breakfast things in the hotel room.
I agree. I made a short shopping list. We need coffee, milk, some bread, butter, fruit, and maybe some granola or cereal.
Sounds perfect. This supermarket is huge. It might take a while to find everything.
Let's divide and conquer. How about I look for the coffee, bread, and butter, and you get the fruit and milk?
Deal. The fruit section, the produce, seems to be right over there at the front. That's easy.
Great. I'll start looking for the coffee. It's probably near the tea.
Okay, let's meet back here in 10 minutes.
Anne walks over to the produce section. David walks into the main part of the store.
David, to himself. Okay, let's see. Aisle 4 is tea and biscuits. No coffee here. Aisle 5 is baking supplies, flour, sugar. I'm not seeing it.
Meanwhile, Anne is looking at the fruit. These mangoes look amazing. They smell so sweet. I'll get a couple of these. And some bananas. They're always good for a quick breakfast.
David is still looking lost. He sees an employee stocking shelves. Excuse me, I'm sorry to bother you.
No bother at all. How can I help?
I'm looking for the coffee section, but I can't seem to find it.
Ah, yes. For some reason, they put it in aisle 12 with the breakfast cereals and jams. Aisle 12. Of course, that makes sense. Thank you so much for your help. You're welcome.
Okay, now for the milk. The dairy section should be in the refrigerated coolers at the back. Yep, there it is.
She finds the milk and then meets David, who is now in aisle 12. Hey, I found you. And I found the coffee. I had to ask for help.
Aisle 12, with the cereal. I see you've got some bread and butter already. Good job.
Now we just need the granola. Look at all these choices.
Wow, there must be 20 different kinds. Which one should we get?
Well, this brand looks familiar. And look, it has a bright yellow tag. It's on sale.
Oh, a discount is always good. Let's see the price. Okay, and how much is in the box? 350 grams.
What about this other brand next to it? It's not on sale, and the price is a little higher.
Hang on, let me look at the price per 100 grams on the shelf label.
What does it say?
The one on sale is cheaper per box, but this other one is a much bigger box, and the price per 100 grams is actually lower.
So the bigger box is a better value for the money, even though it's not on sale.
Exactly. Since we'll be here for a while, the bigger box makes more sense. We get more for our money.
Smart thinking. You're very good at comparing prices. Let's get that one then.
Perfect. I think that's everything on our list, right?
Let me check. Coffee, milk, bread, butter, fruit, granola. Yep, that's everything.
Great. Let's head to the checkout. The lines don't look too long.
They walk to the front of the store and get in a checkout line.
Hello? Did you find everything you were looking for today?
Yes, we did. Thank you.
Do you have a store loyalty card?
No, we're just visiting.
No problem. Will you be needing any bags today? They are 1 baht each.
Yes, 2 bags, please.
Okay. Your total is 585 baht.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Absolutely. You can insert your card into the machine right here.
David pays with his card.
Thank you. Here's your receipt. Have a great day.
You too. They pack their groceries into the bags.
That was a successful shopping trip. We were very efficient.
And we got a good deal on the granola, thanks to you.
I do my best. Now let's go back to the hotel. I'm suddenly in the mood for a fresh mango.
Me too. Let's go.